Have you ever stopped to contemplate the possibility that something extraordinary is at your doorstep? Imagine yourself on a calm night, the stars shining brightly, and suddenly, a gentle breeze caresses your face. It's as if the universe is whispering a secret, an invitation to pay attention. Do you feel it? That palpable energy in the air, as if invisible forces are conspiring in your favor, waiting for the right moment to reveal themselves. What would you do if you knew that a transformation was about to happen in your life? Spiritual signs are always around us, manifesting in subtle and sometimes explosive ways. Have you noticed a repetitive sequence of numbers, a song playing at just the right time, or even a vivid dream that lingers in your mind? These are touches from angels, guiding you, trying to open your eyes to what's coming. They reveal not only hope, but also the certainty that you are not alone on this journey. Every sign is a reminder that greater forces are working to align your path, setting the stage for something magnificent. Yet there may be something blocking this transformation. Perhaps you feel doubts, a whispering fear telling you that you're not worthy of that love, that success, that happiness. Your heart may feel heavy with memories of past failures, making you hesitate to take the next step. You might wonder, what if I fail again? What if this opportunity isn't meant for me? This internal conflict can be paralyzing, creating a chasm between you and the life you desire. But what if I told you that these fears are just shadows that fade in the light of truth? What if the angels are not just trying to show you that something wonderful is coming, but that this is your moment, your last opportunity to take action? What would happen if you decided to free yourself from the chains of fear and opened your heart to what is meant to be? Imagine the strength that would emanate from you when you decide that you deserve all of this. Every small step you take toward the unknown is an act of courage, and that's exactly what the angels are asking you to do. Now is the time to act. Don't let fear control you. Love, joy, everything you desire is not waiting. Will you stand still, watching life pass by, or will you allow yourself to experience this transformation? Ask yourself, am I ready to open my heart and embrace what the universe has in store for me? The answer lies within you, waiting to be revealed. The time to act is now. The decision is yours. Have you taken a moment to observe the little things around you? A bird singing on a sunny morning, a gentle breeze that seems to whisper secrets. Sometimes, the answers we seek are hidden in the subtleties of everyday life. And what if I told you there is an unseen presence by your side, guiding every step, every choice? An energy that transcends the visible, whispering truths that can only be heard in moments of silence. Are you listening? The signs from the angels are like little beacons of light, illuminating the path in the midst of darkness. They can manifest in various forms, a numerical sequence that appears repeatedly, a sense of peace amidst chaos, or even a vivid dream that leaves a mark on your heart. These signs are more than mere coincidences. They are direct messages from the universe, reminders that you are not alone. The angels communicate through feelings, visions, and even through other people. Each time you encounter one of these signs, know that it is an invitation to look deeper within yourself. But often, the path is shrouded in clouds of doubt and fear. Have you ever felt lost, as if you were trapped in a maze of uncertainties? Life can seem overwhelming, and fears may whisper that you are not capable, that you don't deserve what you want. Anxiety can take over, making you question your own abilities and worth. These emotional blockages can feel like invisible chains, binding your soul and preventing you from moving forward. What should you do when fear seems stronger than faith? Imagine for a moment that the answer you are seeking is already within you. What if those angelic signs weren't just reminders that you're not alone, but invitations for you to open your eyes and see beyond the limitations you have placed on yourself? The revelation could be simple. True power lies in your ability to choose. Choose to believe, choose to act, choose to let go of what no longer serves you. The angels are all around you, ready to support every step you decide to take. Now, the crucial question, are you ready to seize this opportunity? Love and transformation do not wait. They are here, within your reach, but they require courage. The big question is, Will you continue to cling to your doubts, or will you open your heart to the infinite possibilities waiting for you? Change begins now, in this very moment. The choice is yours. Have you ever stayed awake at night, watching shadows dance on the walls, wondering if the life you desire is really within your grasp? That feeling of being trapped in a dark room, where the echo of your insecurities resonates, is more common than you might think. The angels are always around you, ready to guide and illuminate your path. However, to see their light, you must first confront the darkness that resides within you. Spiritual signs manifest in subtle yet powerful ways. A recurring number, a song that touches your heart, or that nagging thought that won't leave your mind. All of these can be an angelic message. They try to communicate, but often their voices are drowned out by doubts and fears. These feelings can distort your vision of the future, making it hazy and uncertain. What are the angels really trying to show you? Inside all of us, we face an internal struggle. Doubt whispers that you're not good enough, that your failures define who you are. The fear of taking risks can be paralyzing. What if you fail? What if this journey leads nowhere? These thoughts are the monsters that inhabit your mind, distorting your perception and making you believe that you're unworthy of happiness, success, or love. The weight of these insecurities can be overwhelming, overshadowing the light that the angels are trying to bring into your life. But what if I told you that this internal struggle is actually an opportunity? A chance for growth and transformation. When you allow yourself to feel the fear and doubt, but choose not to let them dictate your actions, that's where the true magic happens. The angels are here to remind you that, even in the darkest hours, there's a light waiting to be discovered. And that light is you. The revelation you might not have considered is that fear and doubt are merely the guardians at the door of your true essence. They have no power over you unless you allow it. Life is a series of choices, and each choice you make is an opportunity to break free from the chains that bind you. By confronting your insecurities, you not only become stronger, but you also allow the light of the angels to illuminate your path, showing that you are more capable than you ever imagined. Now, I challenge you. Look within and ask yourself, what have you been putting aside because of fear? What do you deeply desire but hesitate to pursue? This is the moment to take action. Don't let the shadow of doubt stop you from living the life you deserve. The angels are ready to offer you support, but the decision to take the first step is yours. The love and joy you're seeking are waiting, and the only thing standing between you and them is the courage to confront your own heart. Are you ready for that? Imagine yourself in a dense forest, where sunlight filters softly through the leaves, creating a mosaic of shadows and light. You walk, feeling the moisture of the ground beneath your feet. Suddenly, a gentle breeze blows, bringing with it an almost inaudible whisper. It's as if nature is speaking to you, revealing secrets that were hidden, just waiting for the right moment to be heard. Have you ever stopped to think about the signs that the universe has been sending you? That feeling of déjà vu, a number that keeps coming up in your daily life, or even a song that plays exactly when you need to hear it most. These are not mere coincidences. They are messages from the angels, guiding you through the fog of your uncertainties. What do they want you to know? That even in the toughest struggles, there is a light waiting to be discovered. But what is blocking your vision? What is preventing you from embracing that light? Fears, doubts, insecurities. You might be feeling lost, overwhelmed by expectations, battling against a world that seems to be against you. The feeling of powerlessness can be overwhelming. And while you seek answers, the confusion may only deepen. Have you ever wondered if you are in tune with your true essence? Or if you are simply reacting to challenges without truly understanding what they mean for you? What if I told you that your struggles are not just barriers, but rather challenges disguised as opportunities? You know that pain you carry? That fear that paralyzes you? They may actually be the gateways leading you to your transformation. The angels are here to show you that behind every challenge lies a precious lesson that, once understood, can unleash a power you never knew you had. The revelation is here. Your struggles are invitations for change. Now, I invite you to reflect. What will you do with this new perspective? Life doesn't wait. Your angels are by your side, ready to guide you toward what you truly desire. The big question is, are you ready to embrace this transformation? Will you look within and decide that your challenges will no longer define who you are? It's time to take action. It's time to choose to illuminate your path and allow the light of the angels to guide every step you take. What will you do now? Have you ever found yourself contemplating the vastness of the sky, wondering if there's something beyond? A mystery hangs in the air, a palpable energy that seems to whisper secrets just for you. On cloudy days, when the clouds take on enigmatic shapes, do you feel that something profound is about to happen? What lies behind that feeling? The answer may be closer than you think. Spiritual signs, often subtle, can manifest in various ways. A song that plays at just the right moment, the presence of a white feather, or even a vivid dream that you can't forget. These manifestations are like gentle touches from the angels, guiding you on your journey. They reveal truths we often overlook, bringing our deepest fears and insecurities to the surface. Each sign is an invitation, an opportunity to look within and discover what truly moves us. But what if you are fighting against your own shadows? The self-criticism that echoes in your mind, the doubt that whispers you're not enough, the insecurity that seems to paralyze you. These feelings can be overwhelming, creating a chasm between who you are and who you want to be. It's easy to get lost in the maze of fear and doubt, questioning your abilities and wondering if you will ever find the right path. Now imagine this. What if those insecurities were not barriers, but rather disguised opportunities? What you perceive as weakness may actually be the key to your transformation. The angels are here to show you that each insecurity carries a powerful lesson. They tell you that vulnerability is a sign of strength, not weakness. By facing your fears, you gain clarity. Each step toward the unknown is a chance for growth, an opportunity to reinvent yourself. So, I ask you, are you ready to see your insecurities in a new light? Life is a series of choices. The choice to be carried away by fear or to turn every challenge into a chance to flourish. The time to act is now. The journey of self-discovery begins with a single step. Are you ready to take that step and embrace transformation? The path may be uncertain, but the angels are by your side, guiding you, encouraging you to move forward. Don't let doubt define you. Love and light are waiting. Will you seize this opportunity or let it slip away, wondering what could have been? The choice is yours. Have you ever stopped to think that, amid the chaos of everyday life, there's a symphony of energy surrounding you, waiting to be heard? Picture yourself in a tranquil grove, where sunlight filters through the leaves, and a gentle breeze carries with it the whisper of something greater. A calling. A presence. Can you feel it? It's as if the universe is whispering your name, asking you to open your eyes to the possibilities that await. Spiritual signs are more than mere coincidences. They are messages from angels, guiding us in moments of uncertainty. Sometimes it's a number that keeps repeating, a vivid dream, or an inexplicable feeling that touches us. These signs are like beacons, illuminating the path ahead, revealing that there is a greater purpose in our journey. Angels are always by our side, ready to guide us, but we need to be willing to listen and perceive. However, life isn't always easy. Have you ever felt paralyzed by the fear of the unknown? Doubt can be a heavy shadow, blocking the light that the angels are trying to bring. What happens if you fail? What if things don't turn out as you expect? These thoughts can create a barrier, distancing you from the blessings that are drawing near. But what if I told you that these uncertainties are merely reflections of your own mind? What if the true battle lies within you? Now, imagine that behind all these doubts, there's a powerful revelation waiting to be uncovered. What if the angels are not just trying to send signs of hope, but are actually preparing you for a transformative change? Think about this. Every time you hesitate, you miss a unique opportunity for growth. What you consider obstacles may actually be an invitation to take action. Life doesn't wait for anyone, and each moment is a chance to take a step toward what you truly desire. The choice is yours. Are you ready to receive the blessings that are on their way? Transformation begins when you decide to take action. Ask yourself, what is the first step you can take today? Don't let fear dictate your future. This is the moment to look within, recognize your strengths, and act according to what the angels are telling you. Life is a dance, and the music has already started to play. Will you move, or will you remain still, waiting for change to happen? The decision is in your hands. Imagine yourself at a crossroads, where the gentle breeze brushes your face, and a faint whisper calls to your heart. This feeling can be unsettling, as if something beyond comprehension is watching you, waiting for you to take the next step. Have you ever stopped to think, what if this moment is your sign? What if the angels are using every means possible to guide you toward a new reality? Spiritual signs surround you, like stars shining in a dark night. They may manifest as repeated numbers, vivid dreams, or even unexpected encounters. These moments are invitations to look within, to listen to the wisdom that resides in your soul. The presence of angels is real, and they are always ready to help, but the crucial question is, are you willing to listen? However, it's common to feel fear in the face of the unknown. Doubts can arise like shadows, whispering that you are not capable, that change is risky, and that it's safer to stay in your comfort zone. You may wonder if you really deserve this transformation. Fears and insecurities can turn into invisible barriers, but remember, each of us carries an inner light that longs to shine. Now, imagine a revelation that could change everything. What if I told you that this feeling of being stuck, of hesitating, is exactly what the angels want you to face? They're not just watching you, they're waiting for you to take control of your life, to open the doors of your soul and let the new in. What lies behind this fear is your true essence, ready to blossom. Transformation doesn't happen in inertia. Love, abundance, peace, all of these require action. Now is the time to act. Look within and ask yourself, what do I truly desire? What is the first step I can take on this path of transformation? The universe is conspiring in your favor, but you need to allow yourself to take that step. Love doesn't wait. The big question is, will you act now, or will you spend the rest of your life wondering what could have been? Awaken, dear traveler. Your moment is now.